Hello students, this video is brought to you by meritratio.com. Learn at your pace. Today we will derive the expression of series combination whenever resistors are connected in series. We are required to derive the expression of series combination. First of all, we are required to draw the diagram. Let us suppose there are three resistors which are connected in series. One thing is very clear, that in series combination the value of current remains same across each resistor, but value of potential changes, or whatever the value of potential is distributed or provided from battery, that is distributed, which means that if we are providing total potential of V in this situation, it will be distributed into V1, V2 and V3. The question which appears in the examination: derive the expression of series combination, derive the expression of equivalent resistance of series combination. We are required to write down, first of all, let there be three resistors having resistance R1, R2 and R3, which are connected in series as shown in the figure. In the above figure, we know in series combination the value of current remains the same across each resistor, but value of potential is distributed across each resistor, which means whatever we have provided the value of potential, that will be split into V1, V2 and V3. So we can write what is distributed? Potential is distributed. So from Ohm's law, we can write V is equal to IR. And what is distributed? V is distributed into V1, V2 and V3. So we can write from figure V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. We can be written from Ohm's law IR V1 for V1, since I remains same across each resistor, so this will become IR1, this will become IR2, this will become IR3. So we can see, after taking the common I, we are getting R1 plus R2 plus R3. So from 1 and 2, and 2, so we will get, I will get cancel out, I will get cancel out from both sides. So we are getting R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is also called equivalent resistance. R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is also written RS. S stands for series. R1 plus R2 plus R3. Derived. We are moving on the situation whenever there are resistors which are connected in series and each resistors having the same value of R. Let there be n number of resistors which are connected in series, and all resistors have got the same value of R1 is equal to R, R2 is equal to R, R3 is equal to R, and so on. Rn is equal to R. Then what will be the value of equivalent resistance of this combination which are connected in series and each resistors have got the same value of resistance? We have already obtained the formula of equivalent resistance, that is Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. In this present situation, the number of resistors are n, and each resistors have got the equal value of resistance, so we can also write like this. But actually all these resistors are n in numbers, so we can write Rs is equal to n into R. So this is our derived expression for the series combination whenever all the resistors are connected in series having equal value of resistors, and all the resistors, which means all the resistors R1, R2, R3 up to Rn, all the resistors have got the same value of resistance. In this situation, equivalent resistance will be equal to number of resistors which are connected in series multiplied by value of a single resistor. The example based on series combination, example 12.7 of page number 212. This is page number 212 of NCERT. In this question it is said, an electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm and a conductor of 4 ohm resistance are connected to 6 volt battery. So first of all, we are required to draw the diagram of the given situation. So this is our given situation. The value of R1 is 20 ohm and the value of R2, this is given 4 ohm, and value of voltage is given 6 volt. In A, it is asked the total resistance of the circuit. So we are required to just find the equivalent resistance, because these two are connected in series. So equivalent resistance will become R1 plus R2, that will become 20 plus 4. This is how much? 24 ohm. This has become our A. B, the current through the circuit. For finding the current through the circuit, since across each resistor the value of current remains the same, so for finding the value of current, we know V is equal to IR, and I will become V upon R, and this R is actually equivalent resistance. The value of V is given 6 and the equivalent resistance, how much it is? 24. So this will become 1 by 4 volt, rather 1 by 4 ampere, not volt, because we have obtained the value of I. C, the potential difference across the electric lamp and conductor. The potential difference across electric lamp, we are required to find the value of V1 as well as V2. So V1 is equal to IR1. This will become V1 is equal to I. The value of I is how much? 1 by 4 into R1. R1 is how much? 20. This is 5 volt. And V2 is equal to IR2. This will become 1 by 4 into 4. This has become 1 volt. So the supply voltage was 6 volt. If we add 5 volt and 1 volt, then this is giving us how much? 6 volt. Inside question of page number 213 of NCERT, based on series combination, draw a systematic diagram of circuit consisting of a battery of 3 cells. What is given? We are given 3 cells, each having the value of 2 volt, and the value of resistors 5 ohm, 8 ohm and 12 ohm, and a plug key, all connected in series. We are simply draw the diagram. So first of all, we are required to just draw 3 resistors. R1, this is how much? 5 ohm. R2, this is 8 ohm, and R3, this is given how much? 12 ohm. And just 3 cells are connected. Each having value of how much? 2 volt. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, the total value will become how much? 6 volt. And we are also required to put a key. So at this place we can just add a key. This has become our the diagram which is asked in this question. In question number 2, redraw the circuit of question 1, putting an ammeter to measure the current through the resistors and a voltmeter to measure the potential difference across 12 ohm. We are required to put a voltmeter across 12 ohm resistor and ammeter to measure the current that is flowing through the circuit. What would be the reading in ammeter and voltmeter? So we are required the total value of current which is present in the circuit and the value of V which is present across 12 ohm resistor. So first of all we are required to just draw the diagram according to the given question. There are 3 resistors. And we are required to I'm just taking a battery having a value of 6 volt. Combination of cells are called battery. So V is equal to how much? 6 volt. And it is asked to find the value of I. Since in series combination value of I remains same across each resistor, but in this question it is asked find the value across value of voltage across 12 ohm resistor. This is R1, this is R2, and value of R1 is 5 ohm, value of R2 is 8 ohm. In this question it is also asked to put an ammeter so we are required to put an ammeter at this place. We can just put an ammeter. This is our ammeter. We can just very fastly can calculate the value of I. First of all, we are required to find the equivalent resistance so that we could able to find the value of I. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This has become 5 plus 8 plus 12. This is how much? 25 ohm. And from Ohm's law we are known V is equal to IR. This means I is equal to V upon R. What's the value of V? This is 6. And total equivalent resistance is how much? This is 25. So this has our become the value of current which is passing through the circuit or which is present in the circuit. Again in this question it is asked find the value of potential across 12 ohm resistor. So V3 can be written I R3. The value of I recently we have got 6 upon 25 into R3 12. How much it will become? 72 upon 25 volt.